Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. We have a huge package today. So let's open it. Get up, kitty. Kitty, you are in a dangerous procedure. Hey! No. No. Hey. Cut yourself. Okay. This time, I'm very excited to get my packaging today. And I'm sorry guys that it took so long. I know I said it would be the last Thursday, but it takes longer than expected. Let's see what we got. Put my phone sideways like this. Oh, this is a tough package. This is a tough cookie. There we go. So this is going to be a 4-in-1 unboxing with having Pegasus and Union Achilles. Awesome string launcher, which is surprisingly small, but I still love it. Last but not least, the new part of bullets. Oh yeah, that's right. Y'all know what that means. We're gonna make a Union de Bolos. And oh, wait. That's a little tight. Oh, let me get this out real quick. Okay, maybe the bullet driver is just a little, the stem is just a little stuck because it's not worn in all the way, but let's start off with this one first. So, you already know these two here. So let's go ahead and get this unboxing going. So, let's go, I'm going to put this all down and I'm going to cut open the box. Let's see, here it is. Gotta be very careful. Right now I don't have a tripod, so it's gonna be a little difficult for me, so I'm gonna have to put down the phone plenty of times. Here is the baby loader, just in case. Want it? There we go. The moment of truth, the one thing we've all been waiting for. Heaven Pegasus. Okay, I've been waiting for so long to order this. You don't have no idea how long it took. Oh yeah. So we got 10 proof low Heaven Pegasus. I got Let's go ahead and explore the new flow driver. Ooh, that's got some weight on it. As you can see, it has a spinning metal plate. Pretty cool, I like that. Got some weight to it. Take that down. On to the next one. The Heaven Layer and the Pegasus chip. As you can see, it's a nice clear bottle. Oh yeah, I'm sorry guys, but I forgot to show you the back, which I'll show you in a minute. Let's go ahead and so we check out the Heaven chip. I'm from Pegasus. Yeah, that's a really nice chip. Of course, we got the weight layer Sen and the energy layer Heaven. Now, I'll show you what it does. Like, what is the gimmick for it. But, wait, we're not ready. Now, before I get to that part, there is 10 that recently came on Revive Phoenix. Pretty good samurai disc. The nice, smooth poof ring, or frame. Yep. Add some extra weight to it. Not bad of a fit. There is also the teeth. Sorry about that little mud there. I know you guys can't really tell. There you go. Now I'll also show you the gimmick of having Pegasus. So you see, this is on its full click. So, one click, wings will pop out. 2 click, the wings come out. Oh, the wings come out just a little bit. See, the wings are out. So once it gets to there, they hook. So see, if you get the wings, you revive 1 click. Pretty cool, right? Actually, let's test out the spinning mode there. Sorry. Oof. There we go. That looks pretty cool. I like it. So here is the back of the box, just in case you're wondering. Now, this right here means stamina. So there's all the stats right there, what it came with, the QR code to the anime. If you have the VPN. And let's go ahead and put the stickers on. It might take me a little while, but well, you know what? I'll put the stickers on after the video's over with. Let's go ahead and go to Union Achilles. Here's the Union chip. Achilles chip. You have the weight disc or weight layer. You got speed and power mode. So basically that would be balanced, and that would be attack if it's blue. You got convert and extend plus. Nice. Let's go ahead and open up this box. This is the Braille logger, again for Achilles. Oops, I kind of tore the box. Nice. We have Union Achilles, convert. Extend plus. Yes, okay. Let's go ahead and focus on the weight. I mean, not the weight, but in here. Ooh, that's heavy. That's actually heavy. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chip. That's right now, it's in previous version. Right now it's power mode, which is actually the heaviest mode. Here is the Achilles chip. Pretty nice, pretty shiny. Take a look at these. Pretty steep teeth. Take a look at the weight layer. I don't know what kind of weight layer that is, but it came into the Valkyrie, so basically that would be more weight on this side than this side. Of course, let's check out the mode. So we got power mode. You can take it out like that, and you got speed mode. Pretty nice. Of course, the thing is flimsy, so you do not want it to break at all. Let's go ahead and take a look at the disc and driver. Okay, here's the convert drive. Here's the convert. So previously it is on its unbalanced mode. The 2 arrows. So basically you want to lift it up. Basically you want to lift up on the yellow plastic. So you lift the little plastic up. Don't be afraid to use just a little bit of force. And what you want to do is you turn it. No, well, it's going to be a little hard. So don't be afraid to use a little bit of force for the invert disc to turn it. Because it is going to be a little hard. Well, you gotta get a little, you gotta get it broken too, so there you go. Right now, it is in its balance mode. Let's take a look at the Extend Plus driver. You don't need, okay, right now, and it's currently in stamina mode. So you take it and you lift up and you go over one. It's currently in defensive mode. Still feel a little tips. Not as much, but you can still feel it. Then take the thing again, and one more time, and you have it in attack mode. Yeah. Defense mode, stamina mode. Let's see how it feels. It's tight, but not that tight. It's still pretty good. That's what it looks like, all assembled. There we go. Let's open up the other hatch for thing. Sorry about the little jump scare in the beginning. Well, not the beginning, but what just happened. There's the custom combo of the different bays. Union Dragon, Convert, Power. Union, the Syndra. And Rock Achilles. Of course, this already came out, so of course that already came out too. So yeah. You don't know how to work this. This is measurement, so you take this, lift up on it. And then do the same thing for this. Oh. Lift up the white part. And this is what you do. There you go. And do the same thing again. There you go. Well, hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss another video. Good day.